Hi, this is a short video about understanding and explaining the XL wireless receiver. The receiver has 4 channels. Each channel can take up to 4 detectors. The detectors can be PIRs, door contacts, water sensors, a multitude of choice. Channels 1, 2 and 3 can be used as an alarm or an alert. Channel 4 is alert only. Typically, if you're using the system just as an alert, you would use channel 1, 2 and 3. If you're using the system as an alarm and alert, you would put the alarm sensors on 1, 2 and 3 and an alert sensor on channel 4. The receiver is powered with a transformer that plugs in the side here. You have a small learn button that you use a pen or screwdriver for various programming modes. There is a slide switch showing alert, chime and off, and that is relevant to channel 1, 2 and 3, and that will give you an audible alert, no siren. There is also in the back of the receiver the option for backup batteries, and you can fit 4 AAA batteries. A really versatile small alarm system.